Here I have ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to open camera. Then when you adjust in normal photo mode, switch to the front camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find this option mirror. So for example, when it's enabled, let's take one photo like this, and now let's take another with it disabled, and now as you can see, these photos are mirrored, because on this one we have lighting from the right side and on this one from the left side. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.